Now after completing mean, how to find mean. Now we will start to how to find median. So median क्या होता है? सेंट्रल मोस्ट टेंडेंसी जो होता है स्टेटिस्टिक्स में वो है मीडियन। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे इंडिविजुअल सीरीज का मीडियन कैसे निकालते हैं। इंडिविजुअल सीरीज का, ठीक है, हाउ टू फाइंड मीडियन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सीरीज। तो इसके लिए हम एक एग्जांपल लेंगे। एक्स है, ये दिया हुआ है 8, 7, 3, 2, 15, 17 एंड 20। नाउ अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, अरेंज करेंगे। तो अरेंज अरेंज करने के बाद हमको क्या निकल करके आएगा, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 2, 3, 7, 8, 15, 17 and 20. So how many terms of their terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7 here. मीडियन को कैसे निकालते हैं? n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so here is n is equal to 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2th term, that is 4th term. Okay, so 4th term in arranged series. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is the correct answer. Median is 8 here. Okay. Now if here is 7, it means odd. If n is equal to even, then what if? Now we will delete this 20 for easier understanding. आसानी से समझने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 20 को डिलीट कर देंगे. Now n is equal to 6. Okay, so same formula will apply. N plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 6 plus 1 by 2, that is 3.5. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, इसका मतलब है थर्ड टर्म प्लस 0.5, इट मीन्स 1 by 2 इंटू फोर्थ टर्म, ओके, माइनस थर्ड टर्म, ये हुआ। ठीक है, ये अब इसको कैसे सोल्व करेंगे, चलिए इसको सोल्व करते हैं। व्हाट इज थर्ड टर्म? 7. 7 is the third term. So 7 plus 1 by 2 into what is fourth term? 8. And what is third term? 7. It means 7 plus 1 by 2 into 1, that is 7.5 is our answer. So we have discussed how to find median for individual series. Now we will move further towards how to find median for discrete series. डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का मीडियन हम कैसे निकालेंगे, ये हमको देखना है। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं। डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में फिर एक एग्जांपल लेंगे कि x है। डिस्क्रीट सीरीज क्या होता है, उसके साथ रेस्पेक्टिव फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा 3, 8, 7, 9, 2 एंड 11। इसके साथ इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी दे रखा है, दैट इज 4, 3, 2, 5, 7 and 3. Now we will rearrange. Now we will arrange in ascending or descending order. So in ascending order, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 5. Where is 5? No, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and 11. Respective frequency are 7, 4, 2, 7 का 2, 2, 3, frequency of 8 is 3 and 5, and 3. Okay, now we will find cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? Summation of frequency. So here 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 3, 24. Now CF is 24, last CF. So sigma F is equal to 24. Now in same way we will find median for discrete series, but we are considering for CF, cumulative frequency. So n plus 1 by 2th term, that is in cumulative frequency 24 plus 1 by 2, that is 12.5. 12.5. Now we will relocate 12.5 in cumulative frequency and find their respective x. So 12.5 will lie in 13 and respective term is 7. So 7 is the median. Median for what? The discrete series, given discrete series. Now I will find median for continuous series. Okay, continuous series. How we will find? So in continuous series basically there is class interval. Question is written in class interval. So 0 10, 10 20, 20 30, 30 40, and the respective f frequency. So 3 2 4 and 1. Now what is sigma f? Sigma f is equal to 10, and same way if we will find CF. Now so first of all write the formula. So what is the median for continuous series? Median for continuous series is L plus n by 2, not n plus 1 by 2 in previous discrete and individual. Here L plus n by 2 minus CF of P, that is CF of previous term, divided by F into class size I. This is the formula for median to find in continuous series. Now we need CF, so we will find CF in the table. 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, that is 10. So cumulative frequency sigma f is 10 and last term of cumulative frequency is also 10. Okay, now what is L? So first of all we will find n by 2 term. So how many term are, how many sigma f? What is n here? That is sigma f. So sigma f is 10. So 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, that is 5. We will relocate 5 in where? Cumulative frequency 5 and respective class is 10 20. Okay, 10 20 respective class. So L is equal to 10. Okay, n by 2 is equal to 5. What is CF? CF for previous. CF for previous. So CF of 10 20 is 5, previous is 3. So CFP is equal to 3. Now we will put all the values. So L, that is 10 plus n by 2, that is 5, minus CFP, that is 3, divided by F. What is F here? F for the class, that is 2. So F is equal to 2, 2 into what is the class size? 10 20, LL minus what? UL upper limit minus lower limit is the I, that is 10. 10. This will be the answer. So 10 plus 5 is means 12, 12 by 2, 6. That is, what is the answer? So what is the answer here? 10 plus 5 minus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 into 10. That is 20. So 20 is the median of this continuous series. Now we'll find median with the help of diagram. We will find median with the help of diagram. Median using diagram. Okay. So we have to take an example. So let's class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and their respective frequencies are 3, 4, 2, 1, and 5. So to find median using diagram, we have to find series less than and more than, less than and more than series, more than, and the intersection of the graph of less than and more than will our median. So less than 10, what is the frequency? लेस देन 10, 10 से कम फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होगा? तो 3, क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से 3, क्योंकि हमेशा अपर लिमिट इंक्लूडेड नहीं होता है, ठीक है? तो लेस देन 20 क्या होगा यहाँ पे? तो 3 and 4, that is 7. Less than 30, again plus 2, 9. Less than 40, 9 plus 1, 10, and less than 50, 15. Basically cumulative frequency. In more than series, more than 10, more than 10, it means 10 इंक्लूड नहीं होगा, उसके बाद जो भी होगा, तो यानी कि सारा मोर देन 10 में है, सारा CF अगर जोड़ दें तो मोर देन 10. सो 15 मोर देन 20, 3 हटा दीजिए इसमें से, यानी कि 12 मोर देन 30, और क्या करेंगे हम? 1 हटा देंगे इसमें से, 30 में 2 और हट जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? 12 माइनस, एक सेकेंड, 30, इट मीन्स 5, 6 और एंड 2, 8, 4 बेसिकली घट जाएगा. मोर देन 40, what? 5 plus 1, that is 6, and more than 50, that is 5. 10, 20, sorry, more than 0, more than 10, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, and more than 40. Here. Now I will draw the graph of less than and more than. Let's see. So graph of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Now I will plot for less than first. Okay. Less than is basically increasing 3, 7, 9, 10, and 15. So for 10, 3. So 10, that is 3. Okay. For 20, it is 7. For 20, it is 7 for 20. Okay. Now for 30, it is 9. So for 30, it is 9. Now for 40, it is 10. So 40, it is 10. Now for 50, it is 15. So 15 will lie here. 15 will lie here. And it is the graph of what? Graph of less than. Okay. Now we will plot graph of more than. What is graph? Less than graph. इसको ओजाइब भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. और ये हमेशा क्या होता है? अपवार्ड स्लोपिंग. upward sloping. Okay. Now I will plot more than. So for 0, it is 15. Now it is 15 for 0. We will change the color of the pen. And for 15, for more than 12, it is 12. More than 10, it is 12. So it will lie something here, 12. For more than 20, it is 10. So for more than 20, it is 10. 10 is here. Okay. For more than 30, it is 6. So for more than 30, it is 6. For more than 30, for more than 40, it is 5. So 4 and 5 middle, between 4 and 5. So now I will plot the graph. So now we will plot the graph. So the intersection of more than and less than is called median. So here is the median between 8 and 10. Okay. And what is our previous answer? ये क्वेश्चन अलग है. ठीक है. तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? आंसर हो गया. Now let's move. So now plot from the intersection point. It is something 23, 24. So here it is the median. तो प्लॉट कहाँ करेंगे? नीचे जो क्लास इंटरवल है CI, यहाँ पे हम प्लॉट करेंगे और हमको ये मीडियन देगा. तो हम क्या देखें कि हाउ टू फाइंड मीडियन. डिफरेंट मेथड से मीडियन देखे, इंडिविजुअल सीरीज का देखे. ठीक है. और डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का देखे. कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज में n/2 होता है, n+1/2 नहीं, l+n+n/2 माइनस. सिर्फ इसको साफ से अगर लिखना चाहें तो ऐसे लिख दीजिए l+. ओके. और इस तरह से निकाले. फिर यूजिंग डायग्राम टू लेस देन और मोर देन में कन्वर्ट किए इसको, कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज को, एंड प्लॉट किए. रिस्पेक्टिव एक्स एक्सिस पे जो हम देखे क्लास इंटरवल वहां पे ढूंढे और फाइंड किए मीडियन। सो थैंक यू सो मच।